Hi, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and I recently purchased a Stealth Nomad toy hauler. They do not come, at least mine did not come, with the stabilizing jacks. So I ordered a set of 4 of these stabilizing jacks from LIBRA. I got them on Amazon. They really weren't that expensive, and so far I'm pretty impressed with what came in the package. Not only did it come with the jacks, it came with all the bolts to hook it on, which you would expect. But it also came with a bit for raising and lowering the jacks with a drill, the bit for screwing in the bolts for the install, and it even came with a drill bit to drill the holes for the bolts. So I'm going to walk you through the install of this and we'll see how it turns out. Oh, and it came with these nifty little stickers to stick underneath there so you can drill your holes without having to hold the jack up there to try to mark them, which is nice. So for the install, the first step is to decide where you want them. You don't want to put them clear out on the front or clear out on the back corner because you could knock them off if you're going up a steep approach. So you want to bring them back somewhere in here and somewhere behind the wheels, but not all the way back toward the end, so that when they're collapsed up, you don't knock them off on a curb or something. So we'll crawl under there and have a look. It should be noted, safety first. Before we start this process, you want to make sure that your wheels are chocked so it's not going to roll over you when you're underneath it. On the underneath side, I've stuck my sticker up here so I can drill my holes. I'm going to go on this main support that runs down the middle, and I'm coming back off of this is like the front edge of the trailer, and then it goes into the V up there. So I'm coming back a little bit so that I'm not real close to the tongue. I'm going to drill my holes. I happen to drill some pilot holes first. Before I use it's 11/32 is the size hole that you need, but I wanted to do some pilot holes to try to make sure you get them in the middle. It's also good to note that you want to put 2 bolts in each side of the jack. And it's probably a good idea to hold the jack under here first. I did that to make sure that it wasn't going to hit anything on the front when I'm trying to raise and lower it, and that you can get to the raise and lower nut on the end of it without having anything obstruct it. Got all 4 pilot holes drilled, and I'm going to switch over to the 11/32 bit to make the holes the side that they need to be for the bolts. Should note safety first on all this stuff. You need to make sure your wheels are chocked before you crawl under your trailer, and when you're drilling something upside down like this, it's good to wear safety glasses so you don't get metal shavings in your eyes. I've removed my sticker, and I'm going to go ahead and extend the jack up and get it lined up with the holes. Then it'll hold itself there while I screw it in. Using the provided bit and an impact driver, I'm going to go ahead and put the bolts in. I'm just going to bring it up close, and I'm going to put them all in and then snug them down. Well, that's 1 jack down. Just going to repeat the process 3 more times, and then we'll level it all out. I'm all done installing my 4 leveling jacks. All in all, it was a pretty easy install. This is something you could do yourself at home. It was really simple to do. It came with everything you needed. I was using an impact driver to raise and lower the feet here, and I think it kind of tears up the end of the jack, the nut on the end of it a little bit. If you use an impact driver, and I'm worried that if I did that repeatedly that it's gonna not work anymore. So it came with the hand crank, and although I really don't want to hand crank them, you might use a drill on a slow speed, not an impact driver, even though the impact driver was really nice. All in all, it was good. I like it. They seem like quality product. I would buy them again. I got them on Amazon, and for 4 of them, it was like $120, I think, for 4, plus all the bits and everything to do it. So these were great. Please like and subscribe.